Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Vivo Y97. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar, and now click on Settings. Then you have to scroll down and click on Google Assistant, and then click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here to enable Hey Google, and then you have to click I agree, and now you have to again scroll down and click I agree. Then click Next, and now click Next again, and click I agree. Now click on Voice Model and click on Retrain Voice Model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then click Next, and click Next again. Now scroll down and click I agree. Now you can go back, and now go back again, and then let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.